Welcome to Rome Tips. If you're finding this content helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. We're taking a look at Wysa, found at wysa.io. This platform offers a unique approach to knowledge management, specifically designed for researchers, academics, and anyone who deals with a high volume of information. Think of it as a powerful organizational tool for all your research materials, helping you synthesize, connect ideas, and ultimately, generate new insights. Wysa allows you to gather your research from various sources, whether it's PDFs, web pages, or even YouTube videos. Once imported, you can highlight key passages, annotate them with your own thoughts, and link related concepts together visually. This interconnected web of information becomes your personal knowledge base, a dynamic space where you can explore connections and discover new relationships between your research materials. The platform's visual interface makes it particularly useful for identifying patterns and connections that might otherwise be missed. Imagine being able to see how different research papers relate to each other, or how a specific concept evolves across different sources. This visual representation of your knowledge empowers you to understand the bigger picture and draw more informed conclusions. Beyond individual use, Wysa also facilitates collaboration. You can share your research collections with colleagues, allowing for joint exploration and knowledge building. This shared workspace can significantly accelerate research projects and foster deeper understanding within teams. Wysa offers different subscription plans, catering to individual users as well as research teams. While there is a free tier available with limited features, the paid plans unlock the full potential of the platform, enabling you to manage larger projects and collaborate more effectively. It's certainly worth exploring the different options to find the one that best suits your research needs. So, if you're looking for a powerful tool to enhance your research workflow, Wysa is definitely worth checking out. Remember, you can find the link in the description below.